Hi! In front of me is LG Q70 and today I would like to show you how you can manage app permissions on this device. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down right away. Then select Privacy section. Now click on Permission Manager at the top and tap on one of those devices features that you wish to manage, in my case Loctaion. Now pick one of your apps by clicking on the chosen one and click on the best option for you. Allow only while using the app, ask every time or deny. I will go with deny, so now I need to click on the back button, and as you can see, calendar no longer has access to my device's location. You can always go back and click on one of those features to locate one of your apps instead, like microphone and maybe camera. Then click on See All Camera Permissions at the bottom. And this way manage all of those permissions only for this app from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!